Do cut, do you, girl? All right. Today we're going to talk about single variable data and how to represent that. So you have the situation where this represents the number of students, or number of ounces of water that 26 students drank before donating blood. So we represent that in a variety of different ways. We're going to focus on 3 specific ways. We're going to focus on what's called a dot plot first. I need like a number line here in order to clearly represent this. All right. So all right. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So ideally, we are looking for these specific numbers on the number line. So if I have to find 8, so 8's about here. There are 3 8s, so I'm going to put 3 dots right on top of each other for 8. 16 has 3, so I'm going to put 3 dots right on top of each other for 16. 32 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots, so I'm going to put 6 dots on top of each other, right about where 32 is. 64 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots, so I'm going to put about 7 dots right on top of each other, right around 64-ish. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 80, there are 4 of them, so I'm going to put 4 at 80. And there are 3 at 88, so I'm going to put about 3 at 88. All right, so looking at this information, this kind of shows us the spread from here to here. Kind of got this little curve shape. Shows us the number of values at specific points. And there you have it. That is what is called a dot plot. We're plotting dots at these specific values. Our next representation is called a histogram. So make sure that I draw this effectively. I'm going to make sure I draw a line here. Ooh, I should label. That'll become really important later. And then, boom. All right, so this section is going to be for these values. We're going to represent this range with, this is 0 to 9. This is 10 to 19. This is going to be 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and 90 to 99. All right. So it'll be like 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times do these values fall in these areas. So based on this information we have, there are 3 numbers that fall in between 0 and 9. So I'm going to draw up to 3. Between 10 and 19, there are also 3. So I'm going to extend that, separate bar, just extending it. There are no numbers between 20 and 29, so we leave that completely blank. Between 30 and 39, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we go all the way up to 6, all the way up to 6. Went a little bit too high. That is unfortunate. Between 40 and 49, there's none. 50 and 59, there's none. 60 and 69, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make sure we don't go up too high this time. All right, and then between 80, 70, 79, there's none, but between 80 and 89, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as well. Boom. And that is a histogram. Normally, like, there's a lot more connected pieces and whatnot, but you get the basic idea. It's all about how often these numbers appear in these ranges. Make sure, understand that I've made these ranges even. Make sure they're always even, and I've never had any overlapping numbers. All right, the last representation we're going to talk about is what's called a box plot. In order to make a box plot, we need 5 different things. We need the minimum, we need the maximum, we need the median, we need the the first quartile, or we'll write down is quartile 1, and we need the third quartile, which we'll write down as quartile 3. It's for shorthand. All right, so our minimum here is 8. Our maximum is 88. It's really nice with these data values that they are in order already. It works out for us well. All right, so the median. The way we get the median is we have to basically go back and find the middle term. All right, so median. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the median is actually going to be between these two numbers. And so right between those two numbers, halfway between 64 and 64 is just 64. So the numbers below this line is the lower half, the bottom 50%, and above it is the top 50%. So to find the quartile 1 and quartile 3, you had to find the median of those different sets. So the median here is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 32. Same thing, we're trying to like find the median of the other sets. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So median here is 80. So we're going to use these values to create this. First, I need to create myself a number line. All right. So I'm going to do... All right, so let's just say 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so our lowest is 8, so that's going to be about right here. Our highest is 88, so it's gonna be about right here. These are our boundaries. These are how far we've gone, all right? Our median is at 64, which is about right here. More like this. Our quartile 3 is about right here. Our quartile 2 is about right here. We're gonna try to create this box. So based on what I'm seeing right here, the majority of the data is concentrated, like this is the top 50%, this is the bottom 50%. The majority of it's concentrated right here. This is like really spread out, the bottom 50%. All right, and there you have it.